Hey, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 22 by 10 fuel Renegades in some 37 1350 Nitto Terra Grappler mud terrain tires. Now these fuel Renegade wheels, they are a two-piece wheel. The specific model number is a D263. And what this two-piece of wheel allows us to do is get the chrome spokes with a gloss black lip. However, if you're not looking to spend the money on the two-piece wheels because they are expensive, they do make the Renegades in a one-piece wheel. Might be something to look into. However, they offer these wheels in a 20 and a 22-inch wheel. They also offer them in a plethora of styles. The gloss black in chrome. They also offer it with a chrome lip with gloss black spokes, and then they also offer it in a black and milled finish. That's just for the two pieces. They also offer them in a one piece. These Nitto Terra Grapplers, they are everyone's favorites. These and Toyos, they're just well proven. They are heavy tires, I will give them that. Besides that, they're a great tire. They cost, you pay for the name, you pay for Nitto. But besides that, they're a great tire. You cannot hate on them. We put this on a 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 6-inch rough country lift. If you want more details on that, watch the vehicle spotlight. Besides that, if you have any questions or comments, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, or maybe lift, or fenders, or rails, or anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.